We know you're breaking up. Get up, you. Hondo, don't you dare. Unfortunate technical difficulty. Boring conversation anyway. Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remember, but without the bounty on your heads. I can't believe you made it. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
Hondo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later.
I have to do everything around here.
This is hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Oh no, those are very fast and very profitable expeditions. You look at my friend Philip. As we are reading, let us use the ship. We'll get from the surprise speed. In a win-win. You help the resistance. I get those profits. The first one will never go over there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. This is Gabriel.